we are launching a mass campaign on this Prime Minister's Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. Under this scheme, Government of India has introduced this scheme so that all the domestic consumers can become prosumers also, and thereby they can get the advantage of getting subsidy for installation of rooftop solars. So if a domestic consumer installs 1 kilowatt of rooftop solar, he will get a subsidy of 33,000 rupees, and if he installs for 2 kilowatt, he will get a subsidy of 66,000 rupees, and if he installs for 3 kilowatt, he will get a subsidy of 85,800 rupees. And at the same time, for the capital investment also, domestic consumers can easily get loan from any nationalized bank. That has been all set. And for all these informations, they can get the information from our website, and they can contact any subdivisional or divisional or head office of Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited, which is located in every subdivision and district headquarters, and at the Imphal city also. So, taking this advantage, the consumers can get rid of paying energy charges every month or recharging for their prepaid meters. When they are producing themselves, then they can consume whatever they need in their own houses, and at the same time, the excess energy which they produce, they can be sell out to the grid. So this is a very good job, and our Prime Minister's these schemes will be very beneficial to our power consumers. And at the same time, this will control and reduce the demand of power from the grid, and at the same time, production of energy by burning fossil fuels and creating bad atmosphere by emitting carbon dioxide, this will be reduced. So our way to renewable energy should be supported by every one of us, and we should go ahead and join this scheme and should be a part of this scheme so that our atmosphere is clean and our payment of electricity charges is reduced, and at the same time you get the advantage of selling out the excess energy to the grid. Any domestic consumer, he can apply for this PM Muft Bijli Yojana, and up to 10 kilowatt, the registration is very simple. You can directly enter open the website, and you can go to the link and get yourself registered, and there are many impaneled contractors, and they will be at your help. So it is very simple. And in the bank also, up to 10 kilowatt of for installation up to 10 kilowatt, the nationalized banks will readily give the loan. The formalities are very simple.
Very suitable for Manipur also. What we realized is earlier rooftop solar, where people got and their these electric charges were almost nullified. So earlier there was so much of demand. This is the opportunity now that everyone can get it. There is no limitation. Any number of rooftop solar can be installed with heavy government subsidy. And our campaign, we are starting to make awareness among the people, because so far I think we are getting application, but not in that scale what is expected by Government of India or by Government of Manipur. We are trying to harness maximum solar energy for our households. This will help us in two ways. First, the company and government, in terms of the generation of power, we will get locally renewable power. That is like beyond pollution and all. A second thing, our customer, they will get benefited in the sense their electricity bill will almost get nullified. So if you see the name of the program, it is PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. Muft Bijli Yojana in Hindi is like a free electricity. So that actually is possible, and it has happened in last scheme where we were doing simple rooftop solar. It was very limited. At this time, we have opportunity to get saturated all the household wherever there is roof. So what we are trying that is like very beneficial for everyone, for people, for government, and for the environment also. Very environment friendly energy we should harness, and then we will request all of you to convey this message through your whatever media you are in, so that people apply in timely and get it earliest. And then application is very transparent. There is a national portal, there you apply, and then you choose the vendor, and then vendor will come and install, and subsidy will be transferred to your account, the customer's account. That way I feel I really looking forward for a better achievement of Manipur. At least so far we are doing good, and we are looking for much more in this field. Thank you very much.
Regarding this electricity, now in Manipur there is some load shedding, and about the news about bills are due, electricity bills are due for Manipur. That has been poured in
the government department.
Yeah.
No, so this is government departments we are getting, but we don't. Our purchase, it happens monthly basis. Maybe we have to pay. So that way, government due it flows, but sometimes it doesn't flow that regularly. So that's not a problem. We are just. And then as far as you say load shedding is concerned, see, like sometimes there is a peak hour. So peak hour means if there is a scarcity of, we have the scheduled amount of energy, megawatt. If there are sometimes little bit of less energy we get, then that scheduling is done, but it is going almost over now. Only few days happened this year. You remember every year during this January, February, March used to be little difficult, but now we have crossed this phase, and now we have started banking also. Last year we banked our energy. When we have surplus energy in summer, we bank and we get return in this period. So that we are doing very sincerely, and I hope this again next year will not come that kind of situation. Of course we need cooperation from the people, because energy is just like if you have money you can buy. So we are selling from generators, Gencos. If we are not able to pay, we will not get energy. Similarly, if consumers, if they don't pay their bills regularly and do some hanky-panky, we will be in trouble. Ultimately, what will be the result? Overall power scenario will be scarce. And that actually we want to avoid, and prepaid metering we have done, and then we are continuing, and we are trying, we are soliciting cooperation from each and every customer. That's the only way we can excel. Thank you.
May I know your name?